Things have become such that unless the name is surnamed, by then the identity of the person seems incomplete. Identity card. In the current round, surname has become our identity, and this surname certifies that business and lineage of our ancestors. Understand that these things with an example, as every computer file has a special extension. Almost every name is using a surname extension. Just like the file extension, its categories and properties are noun. Similarly, the name of a person named Sir, the means of earning, its religion, race, and character. Most of these people knows the place and the properties in that society. All ignorant are born from birth, and as they get the qualities and the work that they do, their character is fixed. By the way, there is no sense behind the Indian nickname. It is built on the basic of the name of the saints sages. The name of the sages monarchies became the Gothas only. Dynasties developed only on the basic of the tribes. The first two descendants were the surname and Suryavansham and Chandravansham. Many descendants of both of tribes became only two tribes of Brahman, Kshatriya, Vaishya, Dalit were formed from both the tribes. Caste in Vedas means the origin of the classification of the objects on the basic of birth source. That is, all humans belong one race. But the source of livelihood of people look the form of castes, and on the basic of the work of earning a living came to be known by the name of caste. Like the Sony nickname is Indian is very famous, who is gold's and silver's work. These people used to do gold business. They were also called goldsmiths. There are countless aliases that were based on a business. The title was also used as a nickname, like a scribe of scriptures, the knower of the scriptures was called Acharya. The knower of two Vedas is Dvivedi. The knower of the four Vedas was called Chaturvedi. The title were also used as a nickname. A lot of titles were created during British era, like landlord, head, Rai, Rai Bahadur, Chaudhary, Patwari. Similarly, in the Mughal period, 100 Indian Muslim families by appointed a person, the title of Khan was created. Babbar loin is called loin as Singh. Singh, Singham, Singhal, Sinha, individuals. Loin is the only improved form of the word. The word loin is the same, just like someone named Kumar after his name. Many people avoid the use of the surname of the caste word because in the caste system insult is born from birth. Those people without the caste nickname can make themselves like the surname of famous Amitabh Bachchan is not an caste indicator. Bachchan is his famous father nickname the famous poet Harivansh Rai Bachchan. Amitabh Bachchan did not make the caste surname Rai by putting his surname on his father's nickname Bachchan, illuminated his father's name, and it's also fine and best because the parents of the children's from birth to being young, they give every day type of protection. They are entitled to get their name surname in this way. We also need the name of the parents. We should use the form of surname so that the beginnings of our honorable surname of spring, our next generations can use it in future. So please start just today.